Hello, my friend. Are you friendly? Are you friendly? You're not gonna bite my finger off, are you? You're pretty. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Okay, I know I'm gonna pay for this. Are you gonna climb up? I don't know, man. I can't do it. I don't know. I can't risk a trip to the Nicaraguan urgent care. Look at this old Spanish. It's not bad. All right, I'm gonna. You want to jump up? Come on, you want to jump up? God, see, I can't. All right, I don't know if you're gonna tear a chunk out. Oh, very basic, like Spanish conquistador with a fin.